What up though? Welcome back to another video. It is the Christmas season. I really am not in the mood for all of the decorating or whatever because it's so late in the month that I have just been doing so many different things that I haven't had time to decorate. So yesterday I was in Salvation Army and I saw a small Christmas tree, and then I got distracted by some wooden bowls that I saw that I ended up buying. I'll probably show them to you or whatever, but I left the Christmas tree, the little small, it was probably like a 5-inch Christmas tree or whatever, and I'm gonna put out my little faux fur pillows on my chairs and stuff like that, just to have a little just a little festiveness going on. But I'm on my way back to the thrift store to see if I can find that tree. I might do a little walkthrough of me trying to find that tree. Hopefully I can find it. But that is about it for today. I'm gonna go and pick up my grandbabies and probably take them to get something to eat or something like that. I don't know, but we'll see what the rest of the day brings. It's pretty late in the day. Today is my off day and I was just at home relaxing. So I'll probably insert in this video me trying to find the tree, and I might do the decorating in this video as well. So welcome if you're new to the channel. I am Bohemian, Bougie Bohemian, excuse me. And this is the Bougie Bohemian Life, a vlog channel. Welcome. Thank you to all of my current subscribers. Some of them are from my other channel that we don't talk about over here. Welcome everybody. Thank you. I will see you in the next clips. The shape of it. Get it recovered. Natural wood. The back. Price $69. Yes. Okay, I'm just gonna do quick little apartment tour for, not really apartment tour, but I said that I was going to stop at the Salvation Army and try to find a little small Christmas tree because I wasn't going to put up a big Christmas tree this year, of course, because I have nowhere to put a Christmas tree. So I didn't want to move all my plants around, and plus it's we only have like 2 weeks before Christmas, and I didn't want to put up the tree and then have to take it down and store it away, whatever. So I just decided to not put up the tree this year. But I went to the Salvation Army looking for a little small Christmas tree that I saw that I actually left on a shelf because I was found something else. Actually, I found these bowls, these wooden bowls, which I thought were so nice. It's two of these round ones and three or four of these square ones. And so I got distracted by that, set the tree down and forgot it. Went back and it was gone. So, but I did want to make it look a little festive in here. So what I did was I went to TJ Maxx and I found this tree and I thought it matched my decor. So it was $9.99. So I thought it matched my decor. It's a little Christmas tree. The gold star on the top, which kind of, as you can see there, matches my little decor. I used to have that design on some pillows here, but I switched my pillows out. I have my little faux fur pillow here for the Christmas season and my faux fur throw. I think I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Yeah. And it might be kind of dark, so I'll try to turn this light around. But yeah, so I have my little faux fur pillows. Actually, do I want to turn them around? No, they can stay on that side. And this is actually my Christmas tree skirt. It's just a faux fur Christmas tree skirt that I just have sitting there. And these are the faux fur Christmas stockings that I have hanging here on my table here. And then I had a little faux fur Christmas tree. I found these in my little Christmas decorations, so I wanted to just sit those out, have a little candle burning. What I did actually find too at the thrift store was this bowl that I set candles to burn in, and it's actually a Christmas tree bowl. You can see candy canes, Christmas trees, and gingerbread on there. So that's my little Christmas decor. I do have a little Christmas tree, gold Christmas tree sitting here on my bar. Have little Christmas cookies sitting out. And what I did put in those bowls were candy. I've been working on them. Me and my grandbabies been working on the candy. So I have this little candy in the bowls. I got this candy from Dollar Tree, so I'll just probably go and get another pack and fill the bowl back up. But I thought this Christmas tree was pretty cute. Goes with my black and white decor. Kind of on that wall. This is a sneak peek of the apartment. One day I'll do maybe an apartment tour, but right now it is what it is. But yeah, that's my little Christmas decor, if you if you will. And that's about it. So I'll probably take this picture as the thumbnail. But thank you for watching. My little, just what I did in a day, because I think I started later in the day. This is actually another day that I'm recording this because I did have to go and get this little decorations that I have here out of my Christmas decorations in storage. So that was it. I hope you are having a wonderful holiday season. Be blessed. And Love on your families. Love on those who love on you. Alrighty then. Talk to you guys and see you in the next video.
If you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Bye, guys.